And it also comes with a manual, show you everything you need to know, how to get started. And there's a QR code on the front, so you just point your camera at it to open up the app, and I'm going to show you that right now. Once you point at the QR code, it's going to take you right here. And this is an Android, so I'm going to hit Google Play, and then I didn't even need to hit open now. Okay, and now I'm going to install it. All right, that was fast, so now I'm just going to hit open. Then you need to allow again. Allow access while using the app. Experience now. And then, of course, you're going to sign in. It shows you what everything is. It was highlighting the connect, and now it's highlighting down here. Click the button to enter a recording interface, supporting recording and stopping. So I'm just going to hit that, and then it'll go to the next thing. Here's the search function. I'll click there, and it brought me over here. So this is customer service support, so if you need that anytime. It's a fresh upgrade. Okay, sounds good. Got it. Now we need to connect it. We need to pair it. This came fully charged, by the way. I'm just going to go ahead and open it. You see the lights flashing there? Hit connect. Searching. There it is. That's the device, JYDH102. So we'll connect that. So pair new devices. And there it is. Showed up. So like that. Allow access. Pair. Active. Great. Now we'll go back to the app. So we're back in the app and hit the microphone here. And now you can select either simultaneous interpretation, call translation, translates the speech of both party used in an interview scenario. This one, simultaneous interpretation. You just tap where it says tap to talk. And then, of course, allow everything here while using the app. So I'm talking right now, and it is writing out the Spanish right now. You see that? Isn't that cool? Interesting. And I am actually going to have a conversation with my husband who can speak Spanish, and I'll show you how that goes. I'll be back. I just wanted to show you how to put this in. You just hook this part over your ear, and then this part goes in your ear, and it's actually really comfortable. And then I also have the other one in here right now. I find that when you're having a conversation with someone, choose the face-to-face translation. And I was playing around with this before. I would hit tap to talk.
Lo habría hecho.
Then I thought I had to hit stop talking after I said what I was saying in English. So anyway, just keep, hit tap to talk, keep it on until you are absolutely done with your conversation, and then you would hit stop talking. I'm going to have a conversation with my hubby.
¿Qué quieres tomar para cena? ¿Hamburguesa o enchiladas?
Over hamburgers and enchiladas, I would like, I'm into hamburgers tonight. What about you?
Me paso hamburguesas y enchiladas. Me gustaría que esta noche me gusten las hamburguesas. ¿Y tú?
Para mí, hamburguesas también.
Burgers too. Okay, great. I also just wanted to show you that there is a subscription for translating, like if you go on vacation somewhere, pay for a month and then stop, and that might be the best way to go, I guess.